Welcome to the video on how to set up fitting room blocks within BridalLive. Setting up your fitting rooms in blocks should be used if you would like your online appointments to be scheduled only at specific times. Blocks can be set up with one or more appointment type. For instance, you may book only bridal appointments in fitting room number 1, but fitting room number 2 may handle both bridesmaid and tuxedo appointments. If you do decide to assign multiple appointment types to a fitting room, we recommend that you do so for appointment types that have the same or similar duration. Otherwise, you may be underutilizing your fitting room. Appointment blocks should not overlap each other, and blocks with the same start time should be included in the Choose Multiple option. Now that we have that out of the way, let's set up some block fitting rooms. I have 2 fitting rooms in my store. One fitting room is only for bridal appointments. My second fitting room is for bridesmaids, tuxedos, and mother appointments. To add my bridal appointments, I am going to select Setup next to my bridal fitting room. I am going to set up my appointment blocks for Wednesday. Since this fitting room is only for bridal appointments, I am going to select Bridal Appointment from the Appointment Type dropdown. I want to begin taking my appointments when I open at 10 a.m., so in my Start Time box, I will select 10 a.m. BridalLive will go ahead and add your end time based on the appointment type duration. I am going to go ahead and add this block to my fitting room. You will see that BridalLive automatically gives you the next time for your appointment block. If this is the time you would like to add your next block, simply hit Add. If you need to make adjustments, go ahead and change that now. Keep adding your blocks to your fitting room until you have the last block of your day added. You will want to add your blocks for each day that you would like to book bridal appointment. Now let's go ahead to our fitting room number 2, where we will take bridesmaids, tuxedos, and mother's appointments. All 3 of these appointment types have a 1-hour duration in my store. I'm going to select Setup next to my fitting room number 2 and go to Wednesday to start adding my Wednesday blocks. Since this fitting room handles more than one appointment type, I am going to select the Choose Multiple option from the Appointment Types dropdown. I am going to check Bridesmaids, Tuxedos, and Mothers and then hit Select. Now I can begin adding my blocks. I am going to set my start time as 10 a.m. and BridalLive will automatically set my end time based on the duration of my selected appointments. If the appointment types in your multiple appointment selection have different durations, BridalLive will default to the longest appointment duration to account for that entire appointment time. Select Add to add the block to your fitting room. Continue adding your blocks until you have each appointment block that you would like to be available. You can click the purple View button next to Multiple to see which appointments were selected in that multiple appointment block. The SmartBook and the Online Scheduler work with your fitting rooms and your employee work schedules to determine your store's availability for appointments. I have already added my user work schedules into my BridalLive program, so now I can go to my SmartBook on the calendar and see my Wednesday available appointment blocks ready to be booked.